In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can activate ESPN Plus on your TV. So this is pretty straightforward. I'm going to guide you through the steps. So the first step is to go ahead and open the app on your TV. And if it's not installed yet, you have to go ahead and install it. Then this opening screen should look something like this. So what you're going to do from here is click on the settings button on the top right corner. Now once you click on this, there are going to be like four options in front of you. You're going to click on the first option, which is going to appear somewhere here, okay? And there should be something written account information. Now once you click on that, you're gonna see one option of login to your ESPN Plus account. Now once you click on that option, you're gonna go ahead and get a pop-up like this, which is gonna say you to visit ESPN Plus, just .com/activate on a computer or mobile device to log in. So what you have to do is get your device, open it up, go to Google and search up this URL, espn.com/activate. Now from here, you're gonna go ahead and enter the activation code. Now obviously this is unique for each device and this is just an example I've taken from Google, but your device will have its own unique activation code. And if you go back to another screen and then go back here, then it's gonna change. So make sure you go to this website, type in the code and click enter on your device. So this blue button here, and then it should successfully log you in on your TV. So alright guys, that'll be it for the tutorial. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.